Good morning, Earthlings. I'm working on this sign, and I get this bird laughing at me. I just messed up. I should have been more careful to paint it. I should have taken all the paint off first. It's a mess, but I'm sorry. What is that sound? That's Mickey. Meet Mickey.
Say bye-bye.
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 That's a pretty girl.
Hello.
So now that you met her, I'll have more of her. She's pretty interesting. I'm just gonna keep working. I'm so sad. I have to start over. I can't. I gotta go all the way down to where the paint is not gonna do this. I'm gonna just sand it. And I think that bird thinks it's hysterical that I have to make a mistake and have to fix it. Humans are so stupid. Oh, good morning, Earthlings. What are you doing in here? What am I doing? Oh, I'm getting ready to paint. Ready to paint what? Okay, well, remember the sign that I made? That one? Hey, Marcia, come and look at this one.
Wow, that's amazing.
Well, that somehow turned into this one. Oh. I gave up. I got working with the stuff Marcia told me to do. I gave up on the damn sign, on the sign, and it sits there. So Marcia says, "Oh, you gotta paint another sign." I said, "All right, I'll get right on it." So Ken cut some boards for me. Yeah. Thank you, Ken. And now I'm just looking for paint. I can't remember what happened with this one. I think I painted the wrong paint over paint that was the wrong paint, and it all came out. And there's nothing I can do. It's cute the way it is. Shabby chic. So now I got to figure out what I did and try to do something different this time, something that works. So I noticed that my canoe over there at the Elder Bay store was deteriorating too, so I think I used this paint. Maybe I wouldn't. I gotta find a different paint. Actually, that story's kind of sad. I spent all that time painting that beautiful canoe. It was the star of the show down there. Then they got new owners, and they didn't want they were going to clean it up and turn it into like a quick trip kind of a thing. Turn a family, community-oriented store into like a quick trip. So I didn't want to have much to do with that. I pulled my art out, but I left my cards. Have you seen the Elder Bay store lately? At least a card rack. It looks amazing. Whoa. Well, I have 3 facings, and a lot of them are duplications, but that's cool. The reason why it's there is just to spite the people. The people said, "Give her the canoe back." They said, "No, we're not doing it." So there it sits, and it's rotting away. Ah, this is really too bad. When people have to be naughty, nasty, then their stuff disappears. Sorry. Anyway, I gotta get back to the sign. I told Marcia, holy cow, what kind of stuff does she have to do on her day out? And I told Marcia I'd get right on it, so I will. right now in the fabulous traveling arts studio. Alright, here we go. I'm just going to use this. So while I'm waiting for the paint to dry, let's go see what's going on in the barn. So how long do you think you're going to be out here, Marsha?
I don't know.
You've been here since 7 this morning. Have you had anything to eat?
Yeah, I did.
Did you want me to bring you some tea? Here.
I want you to get this plate.
Are you busy today or what? Oh, she's pushing.
Yep.
She's pushing. Oh, get that baby out. Oh, stand up. Yep. Yep. There you go. She's going to give us good view of her pushing that thing out. Nope.
She's going outside to make it hard to help.
Alright.
Switching sides.
Oh. Pushing it. Almost there.
She's ready to be a mama.
I think she's ready for it just to be out, too.
Yeah, that too. Oh, there's teeth.
I'm gonna go give her some jacks.
What do you got?
Well, this is a little foot coming out of the mom.
Oh.
And if you go reach inside, you can feel the head.
Wow. Holy cow. So Casey,
Yeah.
how many birds do you think you've witnessed since you've been here?
Oh, I don't know. 10.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna have 3 today.
And so do you know what to do when they're born?
Well, once you see the eyes, you can start pulling the rest of the baby out. It makes it easier on the mom.
Okay. You ready to do that? You got your glove on.
I'm ready.
Yep, she's ready.
This one's ready for that goat. I'll switch gloves if another one comes first.
Okay. How fun. Whoa. So fun. Yep, she's gonna push again. Holy cow. How much fun did we have yesterday? So, I took a nap. It's 10 o'clock at night. I painted the sign. I did. People are saying, you sleep at weird times. That's what I do. Anyway, I painted it with the same paint that we used in the barn, in the special areas. So I know it's a really good paint. I can't see what it is. But I didn't want to have to buy another can of paint. So this is an oil paint. I painted it. And now I'm going to edit the video of what happened yesterday. Yeah, I still really can't believe it. Marsha usually is gone on Sunday. I went in there and here she was all wrapped up in birthing, and she stayed in that barn all day pulling on that little foot. So what happened was one of the babies was dead and it wouldn't come out of the mother, and she was trying to pull it out, and the other goat was having a great time. I mean, she was just relaxed and she was just having her baby. But because we had this one in crisis, it was hard for us to really have fun with this one. But holy cow, what intensity. All I could see is Marsha. She put her head down. She was laying down praying to God. God, what am I supposed to do with this goat? And God told her, okay, it's time to go to the vet. So she did. Anyway, there were 2 goats at the same time experiencing 2 completely different things. And Marsha, the way that she was right there. And the moment that I caught her laying down with her head down, you know, I realized that girl, when she woke up at 7 this this morning. Now, she doesn't wake up at 7. She woke up at 7 because it was her Shabbat day, and she was going to go to church. And she went into the barn, and she saw this foot hanging out of this coat. She knew she wasn't going to go anywhere, but she didn't know her day was going to be that hard. I was like, Marsha, she's like, well, that's just like every other day, you know? Okay, so if you want to become a farmer, go ahead. If you need a good sign, I'll paint one for you. I'll stand in the background when they have a birth, and I'll be the hands that you need. When I started this, I said, God, I'm bored. Use my hands. Use them. I thought, yeah, that's an easy prayer. People go to Africa and they use their hands to build wells and do all these great things. Use my hands, God. Did you see what did you smell? Holy cow. I got my hands right in there. I was pulling on goat feet. And so now this sign means a whole lot more to me.
I'll look up a recipe. I need some testicles. That'll be great.
There they are.
Yeah, that outer sac comes off of there too.
Oh.
It'll look veiny kind of like that.
There she goes with the testicles. Oh no. Oh. Oh. I dripped it on the floor. I cleaned it up. I have an Iranian rug on my floor. It's a really expensive one. And I just dripped paint on it. I cleaned it up. Alright, so I'm going to put the paintbrush back again, but it's got a lot of paint on it. So I'm just going along the edges and trying to get all the paint off of it. I guess I had a lot of paint on that. Anyway, it's beginning to look really nice. I think, I don't know, maybe 3 coats of the white, 3 maybe, and then I'll be done. Yeah. So I'm right in the middle of everybody. I'm walking through here. I've been lonely lately, so I thought I'd visit some friends. Quinn is locked in the middle here. He's too dumb to be not put on a leash. What are you stuck on? Are you stuck? You're not stuck. Okay, so, hey, where's the babies? There's some over there. Hi, Quinn. This is my friend Quinn. I love you. I love you. How is my Quinn? Where's the babies? I heard there was a baby. Hi, Sazo. What are you doing there? Holy cow. What a place. I knew it. I'm gonna love on you too. Okay. I am looking for babies. Do you know where the babies are? I wish you were babies. Where are the babies? You were the babies went last year. Where's where my babies when you were last year? Okay. You hear that? Quinn, why do you do it? Why do you do that noise? Do it again. He says, well, why don't you try it? Okay, I'll try it. Ow! Ooh. on. Some more. Come on. Give me some of that. Oh, you weren't going to do it now. He says, oh, I'd try it. I did. It felt good. Oh, ow. Come on, Quinn. How do you do it? Show me how to do it. Show me. Ooh, wow. I don't even know. I can't do it. I'm trying. Will you try and help me? Try and help me some more. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Oh! I didn't see anything. Okay, I'm going in here. Do you? Hi. What do you have here? Oh, that's a baby. That's the twin. Oh, is he cute? Oh, he's cute. I just want to hold him. I'm going to say hello, babies. Oh. Oh. They're so sweet. They're so sweet. Thank you. Thank you for loving on me. Let me love your baby. Congratulations. The precious moment. Thank you for letting me love on you, baby.
Trying to watch the flirting.
Are they flirting? What are they doing?
Oh, they're all flirting.
Oh boy, we're all excited over here. Whoa! Whoa!
Flirting and fighting. Oh, they're gonna take the whole fence down. Oh, it is. It's not attached on top there. Oh, that might be bad. Father and son just, doing the same exact thing. I just came out here to give them a head of cabbage.
Well, what's that going on there?
They're cowardly flirting from a distance. They don't want to get smacked in the face by him.
Oh, they're flirting from a distance. Oh. Yeah, they don't want to get smacked in the face.
He apparently doesn't care about getting smacked.
I don't blame him. Whoa. Oh, there you. It looks terrible. It does. It looks really bad. I don't know how to do this. What? I'm kind of hanging upside down here, trying to paint the sign. And I made a mess. Of course I did. So I'll have to paint over it again with the white. Because I made a big mess. It looks cool, yes. I'm kind of upside down. That's a good way I can't see it. Whoa. Hi. I'm delivering milk up to north. And I'm on Chucking Drive. Oh, it's beautiful. I just had to stop. But that's not what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you this. Oh, look at this. Now, if you know anything about Henry's artwork, if you know anything about Henry's artwork, you'll know this is what he does. But oh, cow. Holy cow. Holy moly. Wow. Wow. Holy cow. Oh. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. How do they do it? I don't know. Oh, it's a sprinting. Holy cow, is that cool? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Ah. Oh wow. Oh, fish. Oh. Oh. That's cool. That's so cool. That's so cool. That's so cool. Oh, I just love it that my job entails having to enjoy Chucking Drive once a week. There's something down there. Okay, I know nobody's gonna ever look at this sign close enough to notice if it's perfect. But I'll know it's there. And God can see that little. I want it to be as nice as it can be. It's for Marsha's farm. But I don't know. I think I'm done. That's what it looks like. Oh, actually it looks really pretty. It's pretty. She'll like it. Oh. You think people can be trained by a cat? Watch this. What? Oh, okay. They do. They can train you. I've been trained by a cat. What? Huh? What do you want? Oh, what are you looking at? Okay. So I think last time I had a ceiling issue. Not that kind of ceiling. So this time I got this special stuff here. And I'm going to put it on. And it's going to work this time. It's going to work. But I'm going to use that. I'm going to do this. Whoa. Alright. I'm just going to cover it. And that'll be easy. Holy cow, that's easy to watch that. Yep. Yeah. I'm going to just slather it on. See that? It's great up close, but what happens when you go out to the road and you look at it that way? Oh, holy cow! Oh yeah, okay, I can see it. Boom! But my kitchen's a mess. You're right. The kitchen is always a mess. What do you think of my sign? I think it's done. Whoa. It's very plain and it's very pretty. That'll work! Yay! I like it when I get a job done. I feel like I can do dishes. Ah. Boom! Ha ha! Now that's my sign. Yep, you can see it clear over here. Hi, Jim. Yeah. Yeah. That's my first one. Holy cow. So how you doing today, Marcia?
I'm great. I get to sell milk and cheese now. Everybody's going to know. Everybody who passes by. Thousands of people. It's a good thing we wasn't up right now. We haven't had enough milk, so now milk's coming back.
Good.
Thank you. It's great.
You're welcome. Oh yeah, I can see that some of the letters are a little wonky. They're wonky letters. What are you doing in my bed, Boba? What are you doing? What are you doing in my bed? Oh no. You're burying your bone in my bed. Thank you, Boba. Thank you. She's gonna cover it up. She's gonna cover it up. She's burying it. Boba. Come on. Okay, well, I found out that if you put this kind of paint over that kind of paint, you're gonna get a mess. Another mess. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that's gonna come right off. Oh, that's gonna come off. Oh my word, okay. Look at that. Look at that. See what's going on? Oh my word. Okay. So now I gotta figure out what to do. I'll just scrape it off, paint it. Look, I hope Jesus comes back soon, because this sign wouldn't last at all if it wasn't. I have to fix it. I gotta fix it again. Up. Why did I do it? Because I forgot the word goat. Huh? Yeah, I painted. It's early in the morning. It's not really. It's noon. I stayed up all night painting the sign, and now I'm unpainting it. No. Even down here. Even down here. Alright, well, I'll just take that part off. And hopefully the white paint will stick. And it'll... Whoa. Okay. I'm trying to fix my mistake.
Cher and Ernestine.
Ernestine, yeah.
Wow, for Cher and Ernestine.
When did she have birthday?
Golly, I made another mistake. I know, I forgot it, and then I forgot the word goat, and here's the word goat, but I messed up the word raw. Yeah. Jeez. But over here, I'm all finished. And this is the second coat of the Varathane, and it's good. And it's going to dry, and we'll be fine. So, I'm not a complete failure. No, I'm not complete at it. I'm not complete at all. I'm not complete. Get it? I'm not a complete failure. Okay, well, I thought it was going to be funny. Anyway, I gotta take off the word. I took off the word raw because I put it too close to the word goat. So now I gotta do that over again. But it's coming. It's coming along. Yeah.
Oh, so I made the dog's liver and testicle and rice stew earlier.
Oh.
From sheep. And I thought, when the bed and breakfast opens, I can serve that to people and charge them like $80 for like a foodie experience.
Oh,
Farm fresh ball stew.
What are you
The
doing?
balls are really, really terrifying. Oh, you saw them, didn't you?
I did. I didn't eat any of it. What are you doing up there, Troy?
What are you doing? That's really creative. Oh, you just want to be on camera. You weren't getting any attention.
Yeah, she likes the camera. Hi, Tiny. Oh, dang. I got working and I forgot to engage my brain. What, do you see what's wrong with this? No. Where's the goat? They're not gonna know what kind of milk and cheese it is. They're gonna think it's walrus milk and cheese. We can't have that. That's okay.